Hey guys, Dawson over here at Net Audio. So today we have a 2020 Chevy Silverado. Customer came in with a complaint, no FM channels. So we were taking a look when we got it in, and I already kind of knew this before, but we found the antenna wire has been cut by a mouse. Now he did say he was having other issues with getting rodents in his vehicle, which have since been addressed, but this particular issue, they said it was around $1,300 from the dealership to fix, which is quite a bit. So he came to me to see what we could do. So today what we did is we put a Metra powered antenna in here. So now he does get FM channels, and I can turn the truck on and get the radio booted up. I won't play any music, but we'll be able to show that it'll scan and find everything for us. But this is a lot more economical and reasonable to do versus going to the dealership, because with the dealership you got to replace that whole wiring harness, and not easy. So we've got the radio coming up now, and so if we just hit the scan, now it's finding our channels, and I'm not going to play the audio so we don't get copyrighted, but it'll find all of our local stuff, and this antenna does work with HD radio features as well. So if you guys have an FM issue, take a look and see if a powered antenna can be the solution for you. All right guys, so that'll do it for today. I'm gonna get this customer wrapped up and pull him back around and get him on his way.